It is raining outside, so now I'm in a small shop. I've taken shelter in this shop. So where this shop, okay, if you notice, look, this shop is made by polythene leaves. This is coconut leaves, and where a person sell something for children. Okay, okay, look, there are many things: cake, lollipop, then chips, different type of chips, and if I show you biscuit, so many things sell here, and most of the students come from madrasa, where has a Nurani madrasa. So I can't show you because it is raining outside. So he has covered this shop with polythene because it is raining outside, so it can get wet his products. That's the reason he has covered this shop with polythenes, and it is amazing shop.